Asana versus Quire. Which tool does it best? Let's dive into a comparison of two popular project management tools, Asana and Quire, and see which one really delivers the goods for your workflow. First off, Asana has long been a staple in the project management space, offering a robust platform for managing teams and tasks. It's known for its comprehensive feature set, ranging from project templates to team collaboration and task dependencies. However, with all these features, it can sometimes feel overwhelming for smaller teams or individuals who are just looking for simplicity. Next thing to consider is the interface. Asana's layout is clean but can feel cluttered, especially if you're new to project management tools. The complexity of the platform can lead to a steep learning curve, particularly if you need to dive into advanced features. On the other hand, Quire offers a more streamlined, user-friendly interface. It focuses on simplicity without sacrificing powerful features. While it doesn't boast as many customization options as Asana, Quire's design makes it easy for beginners to jump in and get started right away. The third thing is pricing. Asana provides a free version with basic features, but once you scale, the cost can add up quickly. Premium and business plans get expensive, and for larger teams, this can be a deal breaker. Quire, on the other hand, offers a free plan with generous features, and their paid plans are relatively affordable. It's a solid choice for startups or small businesses looking to keep costs low while still benefiting from advanced project management features. Another aspect to look at is task management. Asana shines with its task dependencies, subtasks, and progress tracking. It's perfect for complex projects where teams need to keep track of multiple moving parts. But this comes with the trade-off of requiring more setup and configuration. Quire, while not as robust in this area, provides a more fluid experience, particularly when working on smaller, simpler tasks or when you need to quickly organize and track projects. The fifth thing to mention is integrations. Asana supports a wide range of third-party integrations, which makes it versatile for teams using other tools in their workflow. Quire is not as extensive in this area, but it still integrates with the essentials. However, for teams heavily relying on other platforms, Asana's range of integrations could be a key selling point. The last major point to consider is scalability. Asana is designed for large teams and enterprises, making it a solid choice if you need something that will grow with your company. Quire, however, is best suited for smaller to mid-sized teams. It has powerful capabilities, but if you need something that can manage hundreds of users or complex cross-department workflows, Asana might be the better fit. So, which tool does it best? Honestly, both Asana and Quire have their merits, and which one is right for you really depends on your needs. But after trying both, I've found a better alternative that combines the strengths of both platforms without the drawbacks. If you're looking for a tool that offers simplicity, powerful features, and scalability all in one, then you should definitely check out the first link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Give it a try and see for yourself why it might be the best fit for your project management needs.